Hi, I'm Ilana from Delicious Skin Food, and our philosophy at Delicious Skin Food is really simple. So, in order to promote youthful, healthy, fresh skin cells, we need very simple components: rehydration, restoration, reinvigoration, and regeneration. So now we're going to do our Radiance ritual. So it's going to be really simple, 4 easy steps. So all you need is a couple of minutes in the morning and a couple of minutes in the evening. I believe that skincare is self-care. So first step, cleanse. So with your cleanser, you're just going to take about a 10-cent piece size in your hand. So let's say maybe 4 to 6 squirts. Okay, so this is the Radiance cleanser. And then you're going to massage your hands together, rub them together to activate the ingredients. And then we are going to massage it into the skin like so. Now, the beautiful thing about an oil cleanser is that it actually balances, it rebalances the oil in the skin while removing all of the dirt, oil, makeup, pollution. Even if you don't wear makeup, there's pollution, there's dirt, there's, dust that sits on top of our skin. Always important to do the neck as well. Now, if we don't remove this, what this does is it ages our skin. Bobby agrees, he's in the background. He's always in the background. And also when you cleanse, make sure that you're gentle with your skin too. But by massaging, it really gets the blood flow going. And now what will happen is the oil cleanser will basically just melt everything off the skin. Now, what you want is either this lovely microfiber, very gentle cloth. It's like silk on the skin. Or alternatively, you can use your cotton pads. But I prefer this one. It is just so easy. And if you're like me and you lead a really busy lifestyle, you just want these quick, easy steps. So now we've just put warm water, always important, warm water. And we're just going to go over the skin like so. Now what you'll notice when you look at your cloth, that you'll see even what you couldn't see on your skin. So it will be very, very obvious to you. And you'll just really notice. Now, as I said, remember to go really, really gently, especially around the area of the eyes, because that is very, very delicate. Now, the beautiful thing also about an oil cleanser is it removes eye makeup very, very easily. So all you need to do is you're going to hold over like this, and it basically melts it off. Remember, be very gentle. Very, very gentle with your eyelashes. So you're going to just tap and then just sweep gently. Okay, same thing. Now, as you can see, I don't have any eye makeup on today, but I'm just showing you what to do. But when I do rarely wear eye makeup, I use this, and it is just fantastic. It's so gentle on the skin. Now, remember, we're just going to make sure, do not forget the nose. Now, all the things that we don't remove will age the skin, okay? So it's just so important, morning and night, remove everything. Now, on the neck area, neck is very delicate as well, and it's the part of our skin that ages, they say, the fastest. So in an upward motion against gravity. Beautiful. Okay, so that is the cleanser. Now you can see it's given a lovely radiance to the skin. People with oily skin get really concerned that using an oil cleanser will actually promote and even make more oil, generate more oil in their skin. It's the reverse. It actually balances the skin, which is fantastic. Next step. Now, this is what a lot of people miss out, the toner. So this is the Radiance toner. Now, very, very important to use a toner. Okay, so we're going to shake it up, and we are going to get our cotton wool pad. You can use 1 or 2. I just like using 1, but some people really enjoy using 2 and then move inward to outward. Okay, so put about 20-cent piece size on the cotton wool. Do about 5 to 10 squirts. Okay, and you're going to start from inward to outward. Okay, nice sweeping movements, very gently across the skin. You can just see how simple it is, right? So this removes anything that the cleanser did not remove. Now, as I said to you before, what we don't remove ages the skin. So you'll notice this step, a toner is just so vital, our Radiance toner, because it will clean the skin. I like to say it's super clean. You could feel your skin just tingling. You know, it helps the skin to breathe. And now here we're going to go upward again on the neck. Never forget our precious neck. And ears. And then, okay, now you can see I didn't really have much makeup on. I don't even think I had any makeup on. Maybe a tiny little bit of concealer on a spot. So now you're going to use either another cotton pad or the clean side of the back of the cotton pad, okay, on the eyes. So very gently in the eye area. Now, sometimes what I do with the eyes, I would recommend using a separate cotton pad, okay, for each eye, because if one eye has an infection and you're using this on that, I did something a bit naughty then. But just a word of advice, yes, use one cotton pad on each eye. So in case you have an infection, it doesn't go to the other eye, okay, highly contagious and infectious. So nicely, gently over the eyes like so, okay, and you're really gentle with the eyelashes because, you know, we don't want to lose them. They're very, very delicate, but they do grow back. That is a myth that they don't grow back. Okay, so that is the toner. Now the toner also restores the balance in the skin. As I said, it super cleans the skin, refreshes, revitalizes, and promotes the radiance. So you can see now my skin looks more clear than before. And even if you can't, that's okay because it feels clean. And the most important thing for you and for me is the feeling, okay? So, but using a good product that promotes the radiance, you should actually see the difference pretty much straight away. You'll notice a radiance, a clear, a brightness in the skin. Okay, now my hero product, the Radiance Serum. So the full name is Youth Restoring Radiance Serum. Okay, this product has been a game changer for so many of my clients all over the world. Okay, so the serum is it's full of antioxidants. It's highly like super restorative. So it's extremely rich. So you only need a small amount. I like to use a lot of a product, however, but you only need probably 1 squirt or 2 at the most, but use whatever feels comfortable for you, whatever you feel your skin needs. But 1 or 2 pumps should be plenty because it's, as I said, it's really rich. So we're going to warm up the ingredients before we put it on the face. We're activating the ingredients as well. And we are putting our Radiance Serum all over the skin. Careful not to put it too close to the eyes. Okay, but under the eyes is fine, just not too close. You can see. And then now pressing like this will help to promote the circulation in the skin and it helps the product to absorb. And then again, our precious neck in upward movement like so. Okay, and your chest, please do not forget your décolletage, okay? Very, very important. You can cleanse, you can tone this area, extremely important. Use a scrub on this area. We're not going to talk about the scrub today. We're keeping these steps really simple. Our Radiance ritual is just 4 simple steps today. Okay, so that is your Radiance Serum. Now, as I said, it's highly potent. It is super restorative. I've come up with a blend of oils that work on a cellular level, so it really promotes the new skin cells to flourish, and it brings out the radiance, it regenerates, rehydrates, and it just promotes the radiance in the skin. It feeds the skin and it gives the skin what it needs. Some of my clients don't even wear makeup anymore. They just wear their radiance serum morning and night, and it gives the skin a lovely flawless glow, 24 hours a day. But the beautiful thing about it is it's really light and it absorbs really quickly, so it doesn't leave you with that feeling of greasiness on the skin, which I personally don't like. And then now we have our last step, which is our Radiance Balm. And our Radiance Balm, you can either use your finger or you can use a spoon, and you can see how creamy it is. Now, you only need a tiny little bit, okay? A little bit of my Radiance Balm goes a long way. And we are going to, put it in your palm and palm of your hands. Rub them together. It melts like butter on bread. It's beautiful because of your lovely warm skin. And you can see now we have our cream here. We've activated the ingredients again, and we are gently massaging the skin. Now remember, you just want to be really gentle with your skin. Like I've said a few times, I can't say this enough, because many times we lead our busy lives and we're in a big rush and we are always doing this to our skin sometimes. So just take it slow, be gentle. Okay, upward movement. As I said, don't forget your beautiful décolletage area here. Okay, and upward. Now, our balm rehydrates, it regenerates, it restores, and it just promotes the radiance in the skin. So you can see now, I feel hydrated, I feel nourished, and the antioxidants in it, beautiful essential oils, are so that they've got sort of an aphrodisiac effect. So you'll notice not only are they fresh, they open the heart. So all of my products are really designed to make you feel good. And, we need that these days, don't we? As I say, skincare is self-care. So that is our Radiance Ritual, 4 simple steps. Next time I'm going to add another step, which is our gorgeous Radiance Face Scrub. It's one of my absolute favorites, and, so many of my customers love it. The ancient Japanese geishas used to use this, because it brightens, tightens, and lightens, and it just, makes the skin so radiant. So you can use it as a scrub, a face scrub, and a face mask. And we'll discuss that one next time. Okay, so Ilana from Delicious Skinfood, and that was the Radiance Ritual. Have a great day.